Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to make Spotify playlist and listening history private. So, let's go to your Spotify application. Here, tap the library icon. In making a playlist private, make sure that it is the playlist that you made. Because if it's the playlist that Spotify made for you, like this one, it won't show you any options to the private playlist. So, go to your own playlist and tap it. On the three dots, you can see the options. Slide down and tap Make Private and confirm by tapping Make Private again. And that's the process. Through that one, you were able to make your Spotify playlist as well as your listening history private. And that's all about the process. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.